Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm looking at the S&P 200 market update. Today is the 30th of November and it's about 5:45 p.m. So, if you're new to my channel, make sure you read the legal disclaimer. Again, this is educational only. It's not advice for investment, so make sure you read it and know that, okay? Very important. And welcome back to those who actually saw our YouTube channel. Now today I will cover a couple of things on the market forecast and also our specials. I want to talk about it. Our Christmas special promotion. As you know, this is the end of November already. So if you haven't checked our website, go to our Streetwise Education, have a look at it. And also, if you are interested in courses, getting to start in the stock market for millennia at Skillshare, or if you want to do something else, method of investing on Udemy. So have a check it out. Also, remember, if you got nothing to give your friends, give them knowledge. So there you go. How cool is that? Okay, so let's go through this quickly. Now, I am looking at the stock markets. This is the all ordinary, and so there's only a few points difference really between this one and the S&P 200. So let me get rid of this thing because it's quite annoying. So let's move this over here. Sometimes it's like that. Now this is the all ordinary, and if you look at what's happening, we had a high this last couple of weeks, actually last couple of days. The market ran up pretty nicely, as you can see. Let me expand it. It punched through the resistance point, which is the highest point since 2007. So it just closed below it and sitting right here. Now, remember I talked about it previously about the direction of the markets. The market's been going up, so I've been trading the upside. As you know, I do hedge funds, so it doesn't matter which way I go. I mean, as long as the market go one way, I make money. As long as it doesn't move sideways. Now, saying that, I can go neither way. So to me, which direction of the market doesn't affect me, as long as there's movement. Now, I just want to point out a couple of things. If the market do continue, we need something significant. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so we need some really strong dynamite to actually push the economy forward. And there is a lot of uncertainty at the moment in the market space. So we need that to push forward. So just be aware of it. Now I just want to scroll back to the 2007. Just to give you a context of things, okay? That's all. So this is the last high before the crazy market collapse, and we just punch through this. Now, unless we move another 100 odd points up, we are not really out of this resistance zone. So, this is what we call resistance zone, okay? So we have to punch through. Now, this is the first time in 2007 the market hit that, and it dropped significantly. Now the markets hit it once, I think in August, July, and then hit it again, punch through. This is the second time. Now, if it doesn't go through, this is called what we call triple tops. So the first top, second top, and third top. Okay, so the market just punch through a little bit, close a little bit low, but this is weekly charts, so we need to switch view. Now MACD is still negative. It's possibly can go up. Hey, neither way is good. It's almost Christmas. Who want to have a down market? Because if the market get wrapped up couple hundred points, everyone's not going to spend, so that doesn't help. But if the market do punch through, I put in strategy for upside and downside, so it's not even an issue. It will require some explosive power to punch through this resistance. That's all I'm saying. Now, let's switch to our daily charts and have a look. Okay, so the last couple of days, since I think Monday, yeah, around that. So it's been run up 3-4 days in a row. Then the market did this. So open and went up high today, about 20 odd points. It's only closed low. Now, there may be possibility that next week the market will pull back a bit, maybe 50-60 points down a bit low. Then we will see whether it's going to continue. Okay, so if you're in the market space, just be aware of it. keep an eye on the charts. I mean, the beautiful thing about TradingView is that it's free, so you can actually sign up for it and keep an eye on it, learn how to read charts, give you some context. So it's pretty good. From the signal here on the last, which is today, the market will, I mean, from looking at, I'm just basing on the reversal signals, it's gonna go come back down. Okay, so I'm expecting to drop maybe 50 points, 60 points easily. So that will give us some context. Now again, this thing is a long-term play out. Don't know where it's going. Neither way is fine, but as long as it goes somewhere. Stuck in between doesn't help, because it's been doing that for a while now. It's like a triangle. Now it punched through, so it's more like a ascending triangle. So it's pretty big. So just be aware. If it does continue, it will be pretty good. If it go down, there's going to be some major correction. But you never know at the moment. Timing wise, it's not too bad, I think. But just keep an eye on it. That's all I'm saying. So, but next week, I do expect the market to do a pullback easily. So just be aware of that. Maybe about 50, 60 points, so it depends on how much. So the further it drop, the more significant this reaction will be. So just be aware of it. So overall, the markets, some stocks been going up, so I don't have the whole list here, as I don't want to show you what I'm trading. So that's another reason. But just keep an eye on this. The market's been running pretty heavily since 2009. There's some pullback in August. It moving up a little bit. Now, I am not very confident the market had a lot to run, but if it does, fantastic. Just go with the trend. That's what I say. But the thing is, it took 3 months to get back to this point, so it took a bit longer. And if it does, we need some really good markets news or some major investment from the government to push forward. So I will definitely keep an eye on the markets. I will definitely do an update again in about a week or so, or 2 weeks, to see what's going on. And also we got a couple of things, the markets condition. I will do a market condition the week after, see the general market, and looking at 2020, the market forecast, especially for the economics trends. So doing that with you. And so keep an eye on that. Okay. Again, happy hunting, and have a good weekend. So next week we expect the market to do a pullback, which is expected. I mean, it can't be running forever. So apart from that, the market is not too crazy, So just have your strategy put in place, your risk management put in place. So you should be fine. And I will speak to you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Do the normal stuff, and also check out our website, check out the courses that I mentioned. Christmas, get some gifts for your friends. Knowledge is always good. And what better way to spend it with me, talking about things. And catch up with you very soon.